Well, hey there. If you are looking to improve your health, then this video is for you. Hi, my name is Dr. Andrew Grecki, and this video is going to talk specifically about the benefits of stretching. Right? I think we all know that stretching is good, but do we really know why it's good? And so I wanted to share with you a research article that I was reading recently. And it's from the International Interdisciplinary Research Journal called The Health Benefits of Stretching. And it identifies that there are in this study, five main benefits that they highlight. And so I wanted to talk with you briefly about each one of those. And so number one benefit that they highlight on how stretching improves your health is it increases circulation, right? Which is a big deal. Our body gets nutrients and oxygen through blood flow, and if we are able to increase the circulation, that's also going to increase healing, right? So that's pretty cool. So if you do have an injury, the more blood we get to the area, the faster that's gonna heal. It also increased circulation will reduce muscle soreness after working out, which is pretty cool, right? So that means there's going to be less pain after working out. And so number one benefit is increased circulation. Number two, I think, is pretty obvious, but maybe not. The benefits of stretching increases flexibility, right? So flexibility is going to be great because it allows, our muscles have the ability to shorten, and they also have the ability to lengthen. And so if we can increase that flexibility, that's going to reduce the susceptibility to muscle, tendon, and joint injuries. And so we want to stretch to improve that flexibility, right? And if we have better flexibility, it also improves our ability to exercise and move easier. So number two benefit is improving flexibility. And let's see, number three kind of sounds similar, but it's a little different. So number three benefit of stretching is increased range of motion, right? So you think, well, isn't that the same as flexibility? Not necessarily. So range of motion is really particularly talking about the joint, right? So how is my joint, my hip joint, my shoulder joint moving? And we can have flexible muscles and soft tissues, but we can still have joint range of motion limitations. And so stretching helps improve the joint range of motion so that we can move better, so that we can experience the world easier and move about our lives. Number four is a big one, I think, especially lately. It is reduced stress. So studies are showing that stretching and increasing flexibility and range of motion is helping people reduce stress, right? So stress is not good because it releases a hormone called cortisol, and it's really not good for our bodies. It messes up our sleep. It messes up our glucose, our ability to digest glucose, or to not digest it, but to use the glucose, so it can increase your risk for diabetes, things like that. And so stretching really does that by releasing endorphin or endorphin boosting effects. So this can also improve your mood, right? If we release the endorphins in our body, our stress level goes down, our mood is elevated. And then finally, in this study that I'm referencing, they talk about alleviating low back pain. So one of the most effective treatments for low back pain is improving flexibility in the areas above and below the lower back. So the study kind of highlights that is really helpful for people who are struggling with back pain. And so there you go. There's our first introduction to the benefits of stretching. And if you're looking for guidance on stretching, we do have a new program here at Superior Physical Therapy. It's called Stretch Me. You can learn more about it by going to stretchmetc.com, and you can try a free 25-minute session with one of our stretchologists. Hope you enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed making it, and you have a good day.